Okay, so quick trade recap. I know I haven't been uploading quite consistently off late, but here's a trade recap for you upcoming on GBP USD. So a very simple 1 to 2 risk to reward trade. So let's run right through it. So if we start on the daily on Euro GBP, so that I can basically determine my bias, my daily bias for the day. Basically, I'm bullish on Euro GBP. We were failing to break this swing low. You could also take that as a liquidity sweep, and then we had a strong move up, a strong push up after sweeping this low point. Plus, we haven't broken any more swing lows, so I'm bullish on Euro GBP, which means I'm looking for longs on Euro USD, and I'm looking for shorts on GBP USD. Now, if we look at overall structure as well, we were pretty bearish coming down. So overall, I was happy with taking sells. Now, if we look at what do we actually see, we have liquidity resting right above this point right here. And there was also liquidity resting right above this point here, which we didn't actually take. We took this to begin with. So if I just mark that as liquidity right there. So once that liquidity was taken in our time window, the high probability time window between 7 a.m. and 10 a.m. UK time, then I was basically looking for sells. I was happy and I was looking for ways we could actually short the market and target Asian low or my usual 1 to 2 risk to reward. So knowing that, jumping down to the 1 minute, sorry. And here we have a very precise entry, and this entry actually just shows why backtesting is very important, because if you look at my entry, it's very precise. If my entry was actually at an OTE or potential higher place, it wouldn't have got tagged in and I wouldn't be tagged into the trade. And this wouldn't have happened, okay? It would be one of those trades where I would have said, oh, it was very close to tagging me in, but it didn't tag me in. In this case, it did tag me in literally by the pip. And this is why backtesting is important, because I've actually tested that this zone is the best and most optimal zone. In most cases, it will work out, sometimes it won't. But anyway, for the trade, swept Asia, came here, we broke a swing low, right? This was a swing low, broken there with a body. Imbalance caused as well, imbalance 1 right there, and imbalance 2 right there. Retraced to the EQ entry, stops above the highs with some breathing room, which gave us around a 7 pip stop loss, and then a simple 1 to 2 target, which was hit. Asian low was hit, standard deviation was hit as well. 1 to 3 was hit if you were targeting that, but all these targets were actually hit. So in the trade, this was basically the trade. Very simple setup, very simple mechanical rules to follow, and pretty much a 1 to 2 risk reward hit. And we move on. We move on to see any more trades we can get and potential wins, losses, whatever happens. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the trade recap. Hope you got value out of it. Make sure to join my free community in the description below. And I will see you next Wednesday. Happy trading, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.